In early July, the 8th World Artificial Intelligence Conference took place in Shanghai. With 1,500 booths, 300,000 visitors, and 2 billion live stream views, the exhibition showcased dozens of the latest robotic humanoids, language models, and technologies. Today, China confidently ranks among the top countries in AI development and implementation, aiming to surpass the USA. In this video, we will tell you about the most advanced exhibits at the conference and explore how far the Chinese have come in developing the high technologies of the future. So enjoy watching. Chinese company Shanghai Qingbo Engine Robot unveiled its latest female humanoid robot named Qingbo. This robot became a highlight of the exhibition, showcasing advanced technology and innovative solutions in robotic technologies. Qingbo is designed to perform various tasks, including interacting with people, participating in events, and providing information. Her design and functionality allow her to easily fit into roles as an assistant in customer service, entertainment, and education. The robot is equipped with advanced sensors and AI systems, enabling her to engage in natural conversations and respond to her surroundings. The company Xbot brought its multifunctional humanoid robot called Xbot A1. Initially developed as a home assistant or a factory worker, it can walk on 2 legs and reach speeds of up to 7 kilometers per hour. The robot stands 1.75 meters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. This versatile machine can perform tasks such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, handling tools, conducting external inspections of vehicles, and even serving as a model for laboratory experiments. Imagine it bringing and pouring water, delivering medication, and even doing household chores like cooking meals. In the future, the robot might even help children with their homework. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2024 in Shanghai, the National Local Joint Humanoid Robot Innovation Center unveiled the open-source general-purpose humanoid robot Chinglong for the first time. Chinglong stands at 185 centimeters tall and weighs 80 kilograms. The Chinglong can move stably on inclined surfaces, and it is resistant to external influences such as shocks. The robot also can imitate certain emotions. It can be used in particular for caring for the elderly. The machine, for example, is capable of serving objects, placing fruit and bread on the table, and performing other everyday operations related to fine motor skills. At the exhibition, Galet Robotics presented its latest development, the advanced humanoid robot called Galet G1. Standing about 1.7 meters tall and weighing around 60 kilograms, Galet G1 features a sleek, human-like design, made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring reliability and maneuverability. The robot is intended to showcase China's cutting-edge robotics technology and versatile functional capabilities. The robot's agile arms, with multiple degrees of freedom, allow for precise and versatile manipulation of objects, essential for tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as assembling small items or using tools. Equipped with a robust AI system, Galet G1 also utilizes machine learning to enhance performance. The Chinese robot named Tli Bot was also showcased at the 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, drawing attention alongside other advanced robotic systems from manufacturers in China and other countries. This development belongs to the company Sichuan FD Robot. Tli Bot boasts impressive features, including 71 degrees of freedom, allowing it to mimic human movements with high precision. It is equipped with powerful actuators, a robust design that includes a 1,250 watt-hour battery, and a payload capacity of up to 145 kilograms, making it suitable for performing various complex industrial tasks. It can reach a maximum speed of 2.7 meters per second. The X02 light robot from Zoyidi Robotics also attended the Shanghai exhibition. This development is a lightweight and compact robot designed to perform various tasks. The robot can lift up to 5 kilograms, making it suitable for small-scale logistics and manufacturing operations. The robot is equipped with multiple sensors, including cameras and LiDAR for precise spatial orientation and complex manipulations. These features make the X02 Lite a versatile solution for a wide range of applications, including assembly, packaging, and inspection on production lines, as well as handling logistics tasks. Fourier Intelligence showcased its humanoid robot GR1 at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2024. The robot was first made to stand and walk in 2022. Now it can move at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and carry a load of up to 50 kilograms. The robot can skillfully manipulate objects, walk steadily, and even play the drums proficiently. Standing 165 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, the GR1 has 40 degrees of freedom distributed throughout its body. The GR1 is equipped with depth cameras in its head and torso, as well as visual algorithms for perceiving its immediate surroundings. This allows the robot to quickly recognize objects and people, navigate around obstacles, and perform tasks based on visual information. The WAIC 2024 exhibition also featured the humanoid robot XR4 from Data Robotics Company. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 65 kilograms, XR4 stood out for its advanced features and versatility across various fields. XR4 can transfer items into a box, toast bread and iron clothes. The robot can also hold thin playing cards and gather eggs. Equipped with more than 60 flexible intelligent joints, XR4 ensures high flexibility and precision in its movements. It is expected that XR4 will be used in many areas, including healthcare, elderly care, light manufacturing, and commercial services. The company Robot Era brought its humanoid robot Xbot L to the exhibition, which recently walked along the Great Wall of China. Standing at 1.65 meters tall, this robot showcases high capabilities in locomotion, maneuverability, and balance, thanks to the use of modern technologies. These technologies enable the robot to maintain high stability and traversability on uneven surfaces. Xbot L is equipped with advanced reinforcement learning algorithms, allowing it to perceive its environment and adapt its movements in real time. Additionally, Xbot L can perform various movements such as arm swings, shadow boxing, and other actions, highlighting its high level of agility and flexibility. One of the most interesting exhibits at the exhibition was the humanoid robot Quavo, developed through the collaboration of Huawei and Leju Robotics companies. Quavo recently underwent testing and was successfully trialed at the NIO automobile factory. This robot is the first to operate on Harmony OS, the operating system developed by Huawei. Following successful trials, Quavo will participate in the assembly process of new Chinese cars, promising to increase production productivity and efficiency. The testing of Quavo robots at the NIO factory underscores the commitment of Chinese companies to innovative technologies in automobile manufacturing. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.